Hi, sewing friends. So happy to be back again. I took a few weeks off over Christmas there, and I want to wish you all a very, very Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2021. Hope it's going to be a gooder. And if this is your first time to my channel, what this channel is about is I have challenged myself to show you 365 garments that I have made. And this is day 101. And I give you details about the pattern, the fabric, my challenges, what went well, what didn't go so well, and then I always end off with a bit of gratitude at the end. So today I'm going to show you, I think very fittingly, a New Year's Eve outfit. I'll give you a twirl and then I'll tell you about it. It is very sparkly. It is a two-piece, a skirt and a top. It is, you just see the sparkles in it. It is a Butterick 6598, a lisette pattern from the bargain bin at Fabricland. And you can make it with no sleeves or with, you can add to the sleeves. It has a, you can put a ruffle up the front, but it has a gather in the skirt and in the top. I'll show you the line drawings. There's a gather and a slit. And you can add like something like chiffon or something to the sleeves too if you want to put the sleeves on. I chose to make the sleeveless version, and this was a really fun make. The pattern pieces had a big curve in them and you gathered it all up, and in the instructions it had you gather the pattern and then sew it together, but I've done that before and it doesn't work very well with other patterns. So I sewed it together and then I gathered it, and that seemed to work much better. And you can see it has the little slit in the front, has a kick pleat in the back. Gather up the front of the skirt. And this is a very sparkly, kind of a crushed stretch velvet. It has a V neck. Just finished with, just folded over and sewn. It was a very quick make. The pattern also calls for lining it, but I didn't line it. I thought this velvet was plenty thick enough. The skirt just has elastic in the top. This velvet is from Fabricland, and I thought it was so pretty and sparkly. I also made a figure skating top for my grandson who figure skates. So give you one more twirl. Well, in my grateful thread today, I am just so grateful that we're kicking off another year here. We're going to kick it off with some creativity. I hope you're sewing. I truly do hope you're sewing or creating in some way. That I think we all have a need to funnel our creativity. So I hope you have found some way to do that, because I in my world, creating creates joy. So I hope that you are creating some joy in your own life by creating things. So welcome back. And yes, I believe that Fabricland blue sparkly crushed velvet and Butterick 6598 are a winner. And no, I did not go to a New Year's Eve party last night, but I am ready. I'm ready when a New Year's Eve party comes my way in the future. So I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.